This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming there is a real need and by preparing simple legal and financial basics. Start with 3 customer interviews and a short 10-question survey to learn what people will pay for and why. Once you have demand signals, decide the business model: service, product, digital, subscription, or affiliate, because that choice drives pricing and operations. Next, register a business name, get an EIN, and open a separate bank account so you keep taxes and cash flow clear from day one. Now you build and test what you will sell and the path customers take to buy. Create a minimum viable product or a clear service outline in 1 week, then test it with 5 beta users to gather honest feedback. Make pricing decisions using cost plus margin and experiment with 2 price points to see which converts better. Then design a basic sales funnel, a compelling lead magnet, an email sequence that educates and nurtures, and a frictionless checkout that accepts payments and collects essential customer data. You're ready to launch and then systematically grow. Start with a soft launch to about 50 users so you can measure click-through rates, conversion, and early lifetime value without risking reputation. Once metrics look promising, automate repeatable tasks and outsource specialized work: freelancers for design, a bookkeeper for finances, and a customer support workflow, so you free time to improve the product. If things go wrong, focus on where users drop off in the funnel and change only one element at a time to learn what.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.